Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ravneet Kaur and in today's video we are going to know some phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. Before that, if you want to know what are the phrasal verbs, then you can see my previous video, sending you the link in the description box. Let's start today's lesson then. So, see, a phrasal verb may have multiple meanings. Like, for example, workout. Workout means to exercise. I work out daily. But workout can also mean to be successful. My plan worked out well. Let's take another example. Get back. Get back means recover. If you are not satisfied with this product, you can get your money back. But get back can also mean return. I think it's time to get back to the hotel. Let's take another example. Get in. Get in means to enter. Get in the car. It can also mean to arrive. What time did you get in last night? So see, a phrasal verb may have multiple meanings. So you can use according to the situation and what you want to talk about. These phrasal verbs are very useful while speaking English. You can convey the whole message in a short phrasal verb. So add these phrasal verbs to your vocabulary to improve yourself, to impress your friends. But remember, my dear friends, with the change of the tense, we need to change the main verb also. So choose wisely and use wisely. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.